Hey guys, Norm with Variable Traders. It is Wednesday, May 22nd, 2019. Quick recap for today. Before I get into that, Andrew, this is Wednesday. Andrew was here, came in on Sunday. We had our Dallas meetup. Sunday night, our Austin meetup. Monday night, brought him back to fly out of DFW yesterday, and I got back to my trading station today. Traded on the road, first time with the setup that I have in Austin, so got to tweak it a little bit. It was a good day, but I have to tweak it a little bit. More to come on that. But anyway, I want to thank every single person that came out. We had just Texas showed great hospitality to Andrew. We had more people. It was beyond our expectations. People came in from Montana, Las Vegas, Los Angeles. It was really just a lot of fun and great to meet every single one of you. So thank you all very much. You were very great to both of us, Andrew and myself. So hopefully we can do it again down the road at some point. Anyway, into my recap. I took 4 trades today. 3 worked, although 2 of them were just tiny. And so here's an Apple trade on the 1 minute. I actually tried to play this as an opening range breakup. It had been gapping down in the morning. You can see previous day close up here, and it looked like it was trying to catch a bounce off of this and run into the open. So I took a really small size. And then I didn't like it got up to around 185.30-ish. I got in this right above 185 when it broke 185, and it looked good at that point, level 2 and everything, but 185.30-ish, before I even had a chance to partial, it started to turn and just didn't look good, so I got out of it. That's fine. It ran a little bit more. This would have been okay, but I would have been stopped out down here anyway because this broke this low a day from that first candle. So the last trade I took, and since I'm already on the Apple chart, I'll just stick with this. I traded my P&L on this, and I shouldn't have, but somebody actually, Vlad in the room called this out. This looked like a really nice reversal. This bounce off this level I have at 182.88, made a new 5-minute high. It was a little early for confirmation on the 15, but it looked like it was trying to form a hammer. And also, if I can get in here on the 2-minute chart, because that's what I would have been watching at that time. On the 2-minute chart, it was starting to break the 9 moving average and get up here. I was taking this quick because the SPY's been choppy as can be all day. There was a Fed member speaking at about 10:15 that really popped the SPY, but after that, it's been really kind of slow grinding and choppy. So I took a partial and then got out at break even, so no great trade there. I hope Vlad was able to stick in this because it ended up being a great trade all the way to VWAP. And I traded my P&L a little bit for a few bucks here. And I shouldn't have, but I did, so I got out of it. The other stock I traded was Target. I tried to take this. This was a little bit of a failed execution on my first trade. So this was an opening range breakup. It looked like it was going to run. It put in this inverted hammer here and then started bouncing and holding this moving average on the 15 from the pre-market, bounced off there a couple of times. It looked interesting at the open. I got like 80 cents out of this. I got in here around 77, I think it was 28 or 40. I called it in the room. Sorry, 78.49. So it came up and then it sold back off. It bounced and I added to my position right around break even. And then I got stopped out as it busted through VWAP. So not a terrible loss, but I still had my eye on it. And so Andrew spoke about this in his recap in the room as well. But so Target was up big, and this sell-off seems strange given how strong it had been. It was up like 8% at the open and then had this squeeze here. Usually you'll see some profit taking, so I'm guessing that's what this was. And once it hit low a day, I would expect this, if it was acting normally for something that was really going to sell off, when it hit low of day to just cascade down. So like I said, I took a half size here, half size there to make it a full position, got stopped out. And then I kept my eye on it, and it just wasn't selling off here enough. So I went ahead and got it scaled in a couple of times to a full position. I thought it was going to bounce and run. It came back, but it was testing this moving average. Finally, when it held this level, I put my stop under this tail for the whole size and let it run. And it paid off well. It got up to 79. I partialed out along the way. And at 79, I ended up scaling out most of it, which I was happy to do. It didn't look like it was going to get through there to me. So anyway, like I said, 4 trades. 2 of them were kind of a wash, and then on Apple, and then 2 on target, 1 loser, 1 winner. So once again, thank you for everybody that made it to the Texas meetups. It was great to meet you all. Trade safe. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow in the chat.